Two quick things about Safari and iPadOS 15. Like and subscribe, and let's get the video started. Shared with you, a new way to get links from different apps. Joshua sent me this cool video on how to draw a Peanuts character. I definitely recommend checking it out, especially if you have Procreate, which is an amazing app to download. We're not sponsored by them to draw, but you can draw it in Pages, which is free. Shared with you is great with everyday apps like Mail, Messages, which give you the links, and then you can use them in Music, Safari, Apple TV, and many other apps. So, shared with you, check done. Our next thing, tab groups. Really great way to keep track of your tabs. We have one right here, tech, all tech stuff. Apple, Microsoft, Google, YouTube. Let's go back to the start page. Now, let's create a new tab group. Let's call this iHelp. New empty tab group. iHelp. Autocorrect hasn't gotten better. iHelp. YouTube. iHelp. Saved. Done. Next, let's get another tab. Studio.youtube.com. No, I don't really want to see this right now. Let's go back to the tech tab. No, I don't want to see that either. Let's just go back to the start page and do something fresh. Oh, but actually I might want to do iHelp. You can switch between these tab groups seamlessly. And what's even better is that they save across your iCloud devices, which is so amazing. So, that is tab groups, and that is shared with you. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and we are so excited for this beta and see what is going to come. We'll be releasing more videos about these betas very soon, and we'll see you guys in the next video.